Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that's been bugging a lot of PayPal users. Is it possible to change your username on PayPal in 2025? If you're here because you're tired of your old login details or just curious about the latest updates, stick around. We've got the lowdown in just a couple of minutes. First things first, let's clarify what we're talking about. PayPal doesn't actually use a traditional username like you might see on social media platforms. Instead, they rely on your email address or phone number as your primary login identifier. This is all about keeping things secure and straightforward. So, if you're asking about changing a username, you probably mean updating your email, phone, or the display name linked to your account. Now, as of 2025, based on the most recent PayPal policies, you can't directly change your login email or phone number in the way you might hope. It's designed that way to prevent fraud and protect your account. However, there's good news: you can update your information indirectly. For example, you can add a new email address or phone number to your account and then set it as your primary one. This effectively lets you switch your login method without losing access. Let me walk you through the steps quickly. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Head over to the Settings section, usually found in the top right corner. From there, go to Login and Security, or Personal Info, depending on the app version. Look for options to add or edit your email or phone number. Once added, you might need to verify it through a code sent to that new contact method. If you run into any roadblocks, like if your account is older or has restrictions, don't panic. Reach out to PayPal's customer support via their help center or chat. They can guide you through the process or make exceptions in certain cases. Remember, while this isn't a full username change, it's a smart way to keep your account fresh and secure. Always double-check for any two-factor authentication requirements to keep everything safe. In summary, while direct changes aren't available, managing your details is totally doable with a few simple steps. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have other PayPal questions. See you next time.